Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics fast. Update the Instagram app and use a stable Wi-Fi or cellular connection so requests aren't dropped. Once done, log in and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't. That prevents repeated security flags. Make sure to remember recent actions, mass follows, link changes, or third-party apps that likely caused the block. Then clear the app cache and restart your device. Try the action again so you can capture the same error behavior. Next, you dig into specifics to resolve the feedback required block. First, inspect your email and in-app notifications for any messages from Instagram that explain the issue. Those often guide the remedy. Then revoke any suspicious third-party app access in Settings Security Apps and Websites because API misuse triggers restrictions. After that, submit an in-app support request through Report a problem something isn't working. Include screenshots and exact timestamps so reviewers see the context and can reproduce the failure. To finish, be patient but proactive. After you submit support, wait 24 to 72 hours while checking email and in-app messages. Instagram often resolves issues in that window. If automatic fixes fail, follow the account recovery prompts and verify your identity with a photo ID when asked. This proves ownership and lifts harder blocks. If nothing changes, try from a different trusted device or network only if official guidance suggests it, because repeated retries from the same IP can prolong the restriction.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.